We are in Vue Orleans. This is the elevator to the observation platform, and we've never seen anything like this. Whoa! Amazing. We are going up. I think we may have arrived.
If I don't do it.
We're here.
Hello.
Hi.
Welcome to 33. My name is Tony, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about the exhibit.
Sure.
Okay. Now, as you can see, we're on a compass up here. On the wall, the compass is on the wall where it tells you what part of the city that you're in. So up here, you're going to see all four corners of the city. Right here is our AR. These are our viewfinders. These are you could get attractions. You could do attractions and click on them, get information. You could also do neighborhoods and click on them, get information that way. On the back wall, you have the Mississippi. All 2,400 square feet of the Mississippi is on the back wall. You have two films to watch while you're up here. One on the civil rights and one on Katrina and the levees. As you're going around, you're gonna come to the west side of the building where you see the big W. Take it up, take one of those elevators up to 34, which is our outdoor 360 deck and our indoor cafe. Enjoy the facility. If you have any questions, let me know.
Will do. Thank you. So here we are, folks. 33 stories up, looking down on New Orleans and the mighty Mississippi. And just for luck, there's a Carnival cruise ship. That's looking downriver. And way out there is the Gulf of Mexico eventually. So let's take a walk round. It's definitely a stunning view.